So good day everyone, and welcome once again to Sharif Technologies YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to look on how we can browse the internet for free whenever you are. Okay, so without wasting much time, we are going to download a software on our device called Wiretan, and this software is a VPN which helps you to browse the internet for free. Okay, so without wasting my time, go to your app store or your play store and download this software on your device. After that, you have the before I continue, let me check my balance before we proceed. Okay, let me go to my dollar. Okay, as you can see that I have no active data bundle. Okay, so let's go back and activate the app or launch the app and see what it will do for us. Okay, you have to, but please note something. You have to turn on your data, your data connection, even if you don't have any bundle on it. Turn on your data, and for the first time you have to have internet access to configure some this thing. Okay, so when you open your, let me see, when you are about to open this app to launch it for as your first time or for the first time, you will have to have an internet access. Okay, it requires an internet access for the first time, and after that you will do some things, and after that you will have it whenever. Even if you don't have the data, you just turn on your connection and tap on connect. Okay, there are many servers over there. Okay, so when you tap on the connect, you can see that it's processing. Okay, let's wait and see what will happen. Okay, you can see that it has been connected, but you can see I have only 15 minutes, and this doesn't mean that it's work for me only 15 minutes. You can after 15 minutes you have to reconnect it, or else. But if you want to increase, you, as you can see, add time here. If you click on add time, it is either you watch an ad and they will increase your time, or else you pay for them to increase it for you. Okay, but I will actually advise no one to pay for this, because VPNs are always don't last long. Okay, so let's browse and see. Let me just go to Google and search for something and see whether the internet is working for me or not. Okay, so I've connected the VPN. Okay, so let me just maybe, so you can see that my network is working. You can see that this VPN is working correctly. So please download it now. It may not be working later. Okay, so this all what I have for you today. Thank you, and thanks for watching too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also like this video and share it. Thank you.